loves, it's Brianna. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a pack with me video where I'm going over things you should do before you go on vacation. We are going to Hawaii for a month, and I know a lot of you are going on vacations this summer, so I hope this video is helpful. Give this video a thumbs up, make sure you're subscribed, and let's get to it. One of the first things you're going to want to do before any type of lengthy vacation is clean out your fridge. You do not want any food sitting in there for if you're going on a week or longer vacation, or you're gonna come back to a nasty, gross, smelly science experiment in here. So I'm just gonna go through and make sure I toss anything for me that isn't going to last the next month so that it doesn't stink in here when we get back.
We can't miss out.
Oh my God, there's already like a nasty science experiment in there. And then you want to be sure to take out that trash so that the trash also isn't creating a really gross, nasty smell for you to come home to. And people always ask me about the pink trash bags. They are by Glad. They're cherry blossom scented, and I get them at Target. And yeah, I love my pink trash bags. Wash my hands really fast after taking out the trash using the Sweet Citrus Agave Cap and Queen hand soap. It smells so good for summer. But speaking of hands, that's another thing on the list for pre-vacation is either going to get a manicure, or I just put the glue on ones on my hands. That's what I've kind of switched to. It saves me a lot of time and money. I just do it from home really fast. But I did go get a pedicure yesterday. The color I went with was called Watermelon Pop, or maybe it was Watermelon Pink. I can't remember. It was either Watermelon Pop or Watermelon Pink, but I thought it was kind of fun and bright for summer and Hawaii. Also, when it comes to all the beauty appointments, making a hair appointment before you go on vacation. I know I just had mine earlier this week. That's why it's extra long right now, because I got 22-inch extensions and we cut them a little bit, but I was like, you know, might as well go for the long, flowy mermaid hair for Hawaii. So loving it. I love Chrissy. She always does such a good job. But the other thing I know a lot of people like to go do is make a spray tan appointment. It's another thing that I just DIY though, and I get asked this question all the time, is what like sunless tanner do you use? So I use the San Tropez. This is my favorite one. I'll have it linked for you. It's the Bronzing Mousse Self Tan Express is what it's called, advanced 1 hour tan. I think they might have a couple of other varieties, but just like this blue bottle. And then the mitt I use, I have like the San Tropez mitt. I'll use this little brush so you can kind of see what it looks like for when I'm doing my face, because I do like put on my cheeks and my nose and my forehead and down my neck so that my face is also tan too. And I did see, this was, what vacation did I go on where I was only taking a carry-on? Some vacation, I was only taking a carry-on. And so they make a like travel size kit, and it has the mitt and a travel size version of it. So could be a good thing too if you're just like wanting to test out to see how the color looks on you, of getting the travel size kit. I'll link this too. You know, I think everybody likes to have that nice vacation glow. And I will do a fast honorable mention. Every time I wear this, people comment on how glowy and shimmery my skin looks. I do have it on right now. It's the Bath & Body Works Pink Paradise Dragon Fruit and Hibiscus Glotion Body Butter. So lotion. But it is, it's, I don't know if I open it, if you can see, there's like, can't really see it on camera. There's just like a teeniest bit of shimmer, but I feel like it looks so pretty like on your skin. So all about the glotion. Also along the lines of beauty prep before a vacation, I usually go through my makeup and my toiletries and just see if there's anything I'm running low on. Had to do a fast Sephora run yesterday because I was out of my like texture spray, so I got the little travel size of it. And I also got to share this, it smells so good. This is hair and body mist, but oh my gosh, I tested it in the store. Oh my God, it just smells like you're at the most perfect clean beach. Like, this is amazing. You have to try it. Like, go into Sephora and just try it, spray it in your hair, and you'll look around and be like, oh my God, I have the best smelling hair in the world. Yeah, I've been packing over the last week, so nothing's last minute. But I will say, packing cubes, I will link the set that I have. I mean, I use them for my stuff. I just kind of was throwing the shoes on top that needs to go in the suitcase. But I use them for my stuff. I use them for the kids' stuff. It's just life-changing, and I'm only bringing 2 suitcases. And I know you might be thinking, wait, you said you're going for a month. How are you only bringing 2 suitcases? Well, we're renting a home, so there's washer dryer. So my plan is to just do laundry probably once or twice a week. That's kind of how I packed. I did like 7 bathing suits for each of us, because that's pretty much what we're gonna be doing is the pool and the beach. And then I packed like 4 dinner outfits, like going out to dinner outfits, so like cuter outfits. I packed 5 casual outfits to sort of wear around the house. And on top of that, I also packed 4 workout outfits for when we hike, or you know, if I do any kind of like working out kind of stuff like that. So I think I'll probably be able to get through a week before I have to do laundry. So I'll just do laundry a couple times while we're there. And then also why I just want 2 suitcases is I'm a single mom traveling with 3 kids, and while Landon, he's 9, so he's my helper, he can really only manage 1 suitcase, and then I'm usually managing the other suitcase. And Presley either helps push the stroller, or I'm like one-handed pushing the stroller and having the suitcase in my other hand, while Presley's just sort of helping keep Hay happy, is sort of what we look like when we're traveling in the airport. Because I did a spring break trip with Emery, went to Florida and then went on a cruise, and that was kind of, you know, how it looked for us. So I don't want to bring a ton of suitcases because it's just then too hard to manage, even in that little bit of time of just getting it like from the car to the check-in counter, getting things off from baggage claim into the car. It just makes it so much easier when we pack lighter.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action.
But I am curious, are you going anywhere on vacation as you're watching this video? Let me know. And if you're not, I want you to put your dream vacation spots in the comment sections, because I really do believe when you write things down, it becomes so much more real, and it's like it manifests itself. So write down in the comments where your dream vacation is. And then you can always come back and tell me when you go on it. I just thought of one other thing. Always make sure you bring your vacation read with you. This is the book I just started. I'm only on chapter 6 so far though. It's very interesting. My friend Maria gave it to me to read. We always like trade books when we're done reading, so she read it first and recommended it. So packing this one to read on the plane, and definitely by the pool and at the beach. But if you have any other really good summer reads or vacation reads, books that you've loved, let us know down in the comments, because I'm always looking for recommendations, and I know everybody else always is asking for them too. Okay, if you are traveling with kids and you're going to be taking their car seat because they're car seat age, this I think is the best travel bag for car seats, because it has wheels on the bottom. It's super huge and roomy. I can fit both of my older kids' booster seats in one of these. Then it's obviously big enough for Hayden's, and then I'll usually, what I do is put like their floaties for the pool on top of the car seat in here, or any other kind of larger, bulkier items, because when you check this in, it's free. So instead of taking up room in your suitcase, you can kind of pack more stuff inside of this. And it has the straps on the back. So again, because I'm a single mom in the airport, it's really nice to be able to put this on my back, then be hands-free to push the stroller and grab the suitcase and all the things. And then because it has the wheels though too, Landon and Presley are able, you can't really see your rolling, but Landon and Presley are then able to help move this around too if I need them. And then of course, don't forget about your fur babies. Get those pet sitters lined up for when you're gonna be traveling. And like I just made sure she went to the groomer on Friday as well, so that she had her grooming appointment. So she's nice and clean and ready for her stay at Gigi's house, because Gigi is the one who always watches her and now watches our cat Kailua too. So don't forget about the little fur babies. We're gonna miss you. Aww. Love you. Oh, thank you. Love you so much. Taking a potty break now, but also don't forget about your yard maintenance. So I know I have that all set up for when we're gone this month too, for the grass to be cut every single week and all that. When it comes to the mail, you can either stop it or have it forwarded to your address if you're gonna be staying someplace for a lengthier amount of time. And another thing you want to consider before you go on vacation is changing your heat or your air conditioning settings to be whatever is the most energy efficient for while you're away. And before vacation, I always make sure the security system is all set up, and it's really nice. We have the vent so I can, on my phone, monitor everything. I can see the cameras and I can turn it on and off if anybody were needed to come over or anything like that. So it makes it super simple. If you are considering getting a security system, I do have a link so that you get a discount. I'll have it linked down below for you. There are also these plug-in timers that you can use for your lamps so that lights go on at a certain time every single day and turn off at a certain time in the mornings as well. Also before vacation, I like to try to have all of the dishes done. So I'm gonna put the couple I have left in here and run the dishwasher, so then later tonight I can put all the dishes away and come home to a nice clean house. And always chasing the pipe dream that the laundry is gonna get all caught up on, but I have one more load to fold and we will be caught up besides like what I'm wearing today for vacation.
I never got it, why'd you have to go? I guess this world's too slow for you. I think there's beauty in the gray, the cold, but you just want the gold. And there's no way I can beat it, cause I got no chance when it comes to her.
Of course, I like to do a nice tidy up of everything because there is nothing better when you come home from a vacation and a long day of travel and your house is just nice and clean and you don't have anything to worry about. I'm telling you, if you spray this stuff before you leave for vacation, you're gonna come home and your home's gonna smell so fresh and clean and good. Smell like home.
Yeah. You don't care what's real no more, no, you don't want me anymore. You only want what you can afford. This is goodbye, bye, bye. LA made you crazy, yeah. I see your stories and I can't believe all the people you meet.
So those were the things on my to-do list before going on vacation. If there's anything that you always do before a vacation, let us know down in the comments. I love when we share tips and advice and get to learn from each other here on this channel. And be sure that you're subscribed and have your notifications turned on so you don't miss any of the Hawaii videos. Thanks for watching. Bye, loves.